that sauce. My God, it smells so good, you guys. Today we're doing a crock pot meal with chicken and potatoes, but I've got a special sauce, not a special sauce, I've got a new sauce that I'm going to try out, and hopefully it's good. So I'm just going to add about this many potatoes. I will put the recipe down below. So just the potatoes, like in bite-sized pieces. Add those, and then I'm going to add some olive oil over top of these. And a bit of salt. Now my sauce probably has quite a bit of salt in it, so I'm not going to add a lot. But I am going to add some pepper as well. As much as you like. And then I'll add some paprika. I'm not measuring, but I will put all the measurements below. And then we'll give them a stir. Like that. Okay, I just cut up some chicken breasts. They're bite-sized pieces. I cut up 3 breasts. So I'm just going to put these on top of the potatoes. Kind of just get a single layer happening here. Now I'll put this aside. And then I will mix up my sauce. If I had more time, I would make my own sauce, but I saw this in the store today. And it's called creamy garlic, and it's a wing sauce for chicken wings. But I'm going to use a cup of this. Plus I'm getting my trailer ready for the weekend. I know it's Monday, but we're leaving Wednesday. Oh my. Hold that thought. All right, so we'll put 1 cup of that sauce in the bowl. And then we'll fill the same cup halfway, so that'd be half a cup of chicken broth. I think it's chicken broth, yeah. This sauce is quite strong, so you'll have to just taste it and make sure that it's okay for you. I'm going to give it a whisk. This is such an easy supper, you guys. It's super, super simple, which is what I need right now. I'm just going to add a bit more pepper. The recipe says to add more salt, but I don't feel like I want to because there is so much salt in here already. So I'll just do that. And then I will just pour the sauce over the chicken and potatoes. Now I'm sure you can put any kind of vegetable you like in here, but I'm just doing it super simple. And I don't have any because I haven't went shopping yet for my last, because I just got home yesterday. So now I'm just going to give this a really good mix. I usually add garlic, like either minced garlic or garlic powder, but I think there's a lot of garlic in this sauce, so I'm just going to leave it alone. And now you would put a lid on it, cook it on low for about 4 hours or on high for about 6 hours. I'm going to cook it on high, for 4 hours. And then we will add some cheese to it. Oh. And that's what it looks like. The sauce smells really good. And I will be back. This is looking absolutely amazing right now. It's been on for almost 4 hours, sorry. Everything is cooked through perfectly. My God, it smells so good, you guys. I'm going to add a layer of mozzarella cheese. Just a bit, just like a cup or something. You can put as much cheese as you want on, but I don't think it needs much. As well as some Parmesan cheese. I'm going to use the grated because I don't have any. Oops, this isn't open. I'm going to use the grated because I don't have fresh. So just a layer, like a thin layer, like not too much. Just like that. And then I'm going to put it back for about 10 more minutes. And then we'll be back. Oops. All right, guys, it's time to taste. Oh my gosh. It's like 24 degrees here in Alberta, well, in Leduc. And I decided to do a crock-pot dinner because I was busy all day. I'm just gonna add a little bit of parsley, just for some color. Oh, that looks so good. Now again, I've never had this sauce before. All right, guys. Never had this sauce before. I keep on saying that, so I'm kind of scared. So they're both like very well done, which is nice. So tender. That sauce. Again, it's creamy garlic. There. Only use 1 cup though. If you use too much, it's going to be way too strong in there. So, creamy garlic. It's perfect. It's delicious. You guys got to make this. Make this on a hot day because it's perfect. Crockpot meals are perfect on a hot day. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go eat. See you later.